Hi, Master Sports Kids. Today we will be drawing a dog. So first step, you're gonna do, and then you're gonna do like a circle head. Okay. Next, you're gonna do the nose. And then you color it in. Then you're gonna do like kind of this shape, like a J, and then a backwards J. Then you're gonna put an ear like that, and then another ear like that, and then put the eyes there. And then you're gonna draw one leg, like that. Next, you're gonna draw another leg. Then you're gonna draw another one. And then you're gonna draw the like. And then last, you're gonna draw the little tail. And that is all for how to draw a dog. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.